Every time we come to Berlin, Germany for IFA, we have to stop by Sennheiser's booth. We are, after all, in their own backyard. And this year they've got a couple of really great announcements we wanted to share with you. The first would be the new Momentum True Wireless Earbuds. They're going to cost about $350, and if sound quality is your primary concern, this is where you want to look. Part of prioritizing sound quality means that we're going to have a slightly larger True Wireless earbud. These are not little tiny bullets. They're designed with 7mm drivers inside and some great technology that other wireless earbuds simply don't have. Most wireless earbuds use a Bluetooth signal to get the signal from one earbud to the other. These do not. They use a magnetic field, which means that there is virtually no latency with the signal between the left and the right earbud. That also means that they can use higher quality codecs like aptX, super high efficiency, and AAC. Other wireless earbuds can't promise that. That alone is going to give you a better sound signal. But in addition to that, Sennheiser makes drivers. I mean, transducers are their game. So the 7mm drivers that you find in these are of the highest possible quality. We gave them a quick listen, and indeed they do sound great. Now, in terms of battery life, you can expect about 4 hours, depending on how loud you listen, per charge. And then the case here that you store them in and charge them with will deliver another 2 full charges on top of that. So you're looking at about 12 hours per venture, and then you're going to want to charge the case up to reset that. In the short amount of time that we had to spend with them, they sound great. There's actually, as a Momentum branded item, just like their Momentum on-ears and over-ears and wireless headphones, there's just a slight boost in the mid-bass to give it a little bit of a bump. But Sennheiser is known for their warmth and their natural clarity. The high-frequency response is smooth and natural, just what I love about the Momentum series. So you definitely want to check these out when they come available for purchase. Again, it's going to be about $350. If sound quality is your priority, this is the way you want to go.